This is AI yourself. Today, MiniMax's new all-in-one AI tool, Hub. Right now, making one AI video probably means 5 different tools and a dozen browser tabs, one for images, one for video, one for voiceover, one for music, then dragging it all into an editor. MiniMax just released a tool that claims to replace that whole stack with one app. It's called Hub. It just went into general release, and I wanted to actually look at what it does before the hype train shows up, because it's brand new, so there's no track record yet. Quick background, MiniMax is the Chinese AI company behind Halio, one of the more capable AI video generators out there, backed by Tencent and Alibaba. They unveiled Hub at the Shanghai International Film Festival in June, and it went into full commercial release in early July. It's a free desktop app for Mac and Windows, not a browser tool, and the pitch is simple: one workspace, multiple AI agents, script to finished cut without switching tools. Here's the mechanic. You give Hub a brief, plain language, or you can drop in a PDF proposal or a reference video, and it splits the job across 4 agents that run at the same time. A copy agent writes the script, an image agent generates visuals, a video agent assembles the timeline, and an audio agent handles voiceover and music. Instead of you manually finishing one step before starting the next, they work in parallel and Hub merges the output. That's the actual innovation here, not that it can generate video, voice, and music, since plenty of tools already do each of those separately. It's that it's trying to run them as one coordinated pipeline instead of 4 disconnected ones. The part I think matters most: Hub isn't a one-click generator. It pauses at key decision points and asks you to confirm before moving forward. MiniMax's product team has been explicit about this. Their line is that the AI should carry the execution work, but creative direction stays with the human. That's a deliberate design choice, and it's the right one if you've ever gotten a fully generated video back from a one-shot tool and had no way to fix the one scene that's wrong without starting over. There's also a skills system. It captures workflows and style choices you use repeatedly and lets you reuse or share them. In theory, that means Hub gets more tailored to your specific format the more you use it. I haven't run it long enough myself to tell you if that holds up over dozens of projects, worth revisiting once more people have logged real hours in it. On cost, Hub itself is free to download and use, and new users get a starting batch of free credits. Heavier generation, the actual video and image models running under the hood, including MiniMax's Seedance video model, runs on a credit system, so free doesn't mean unlimited. If you're already paying for 4 separate AI subscriptions, consolidating into one credit pool could still be a real savings, but I'd treat free as free to start, not free forever, until MiniMax publishes clearer pricing once the credit-included tier runs out. Worth flagging, this is a desktop app that wants access to your local files, and it's a first general release product from a company with fast-moving China-based infrastructure. If you're using this for client work, read the data handling terms before you drop in anything under an NDA. Realistically, this is strongest for solo creators and small teams who are currently duct taping 4 tools together and losing time on the handoffs, faceless YouTube channels, short-form brand content, quick social ads. MiniMax is also running a creator program and pointing enterprise clients toward a separate custom deployment offering, so if you're a studio or agency, there's a different sales conversation happening than the free download most of us will use. What it's not, at least not yet, a replacement for a human editor on anything that needs precise creative control shot by shot, or a proven tool with a multi-month track record. It's been in general release less than a week as of filming this. Judge the hype accordingly. Bottom line, MiniMax Hub is a legitimately interesting attempt to collapse the AI video stack into one workspace, with a human approval design that's more thoughtful than most one-click generators. It's also brand new, so treat any quality claims, including mine, as early impressions, not a verdict. If you try it before I do a follow-up, drop what you found in the comments. I'll fold real user experience into whatever I cover on this channel next. That's AI yourself. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.